Today we're going to install a new battery on this Polaris XP1000. Alright, so I just made a video of removing the battery. I went to AutoZone to pick up a battery. Could not find one for it. I did find one that it is the correct dimensions as the old one. The only problem is that the posts are separated, or the positives on this side, the negatives on this side, versus where we originally got the battery out. The negative was on this side and the positive was on this side, but it's no big deal. I thought it was going to be able to reach, but it's all right, no big deal. We'll just flip it around. So let me drop that battery into place, and like I said, fits in here perfectly. This is a 26RE. I'm going to put on the battery bracket into place first, just like so. Put on the bolt that goes there. This is a Torx 30. There it is. To put this bolt back into place right here. All right, now that we have the battery tied down, next what we're going to do is put on the positive terminal. This goes right here into there, and then we'll just snake our way in here. All right, I have it coming just like so. I'm going to use a 13mm socket to secure this down, and it'll be a lot easier if I use both hands. All right, and we'll put this cover into place just like so. Now we'll put on the negative terminal, and we'll do a little cross-side like that as well. I'll shove this into place, and we'll use that same 13 to secure the negative terminal. Perfect. And let's fire it up, make sure she starts up. And there it is, everything's coming back to life, and she fired up right away. Sweet. So that worked. Now all I have to do is put on my seat. Boom, boom. This is the rear one. We're out here cleaning the RZR, getting all the mud off of it. Battery's dead. All you simply do is just put the seat back into place. Latch the front first. A lot easier with two hands. Just like so. Just let it drop. That's it. And we are set. And that is how you install the battery on this Polaris XP1000. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.